Hello everyone, welcome to Talk World. Today is sunny day. It's a really good day. Hopefully you guys enjoying your day and your day, your night. Today yesterday I made some bulgogi for the family, and I have a one bowl of bulgogi left over. So I made a bulgogi ramen. So I used the regular this Nongsin Korean spicy shin ramen, and I used the soup base and then the vegetable mix all together. With the 3 cups of water, you need to boil first. Once you boil, you put those ramen noodle, and then I have one bowl of the bulgogi, which is the bul means fire, meat the gogi means meat, so bulgogi ramen. I put the one bowl of bulgogi already cooked and then mixed together with the ramen, and then it's gonna be bulgogi is usually sweet, and then the ramen is spicy, so a little bit of sweet spicy kind of taste. Let's get into it. I'll show you. This is it's hot. Okay, so this is a bulgogi ramen. So this is the meat, beef. Man. Sweet but spicy. So makes me a little cough. This is noodle. Man, this is a pretty good taste. This is bulgogi and ramen noodle. Man, it's really good, really good. Two thumbs up. Thanks so much. Bulgogi ramen. It's Talk Wars.